Welcome to Suri Daily English, the podcast, a leading English podcast channel.
Hello, English learners. Welcome back to the Suri Daily English Podcast. I'm Suri, your guide to learning English simply, calmly, and joyfully.
And I'm Alex, and I'm
Alex, are you okay? You're staring at the microphone like it's a ghost.
I'm freezing, Suri. Not cold. My brain, it's happening again. The dreaded English brain freeze.
Oh, the brain freeze. It happens to the best of us. What happened this time?
It was tragic, Suri. Yesterday, I met a tourist. Nice guy. He asked me a very difficult, complex question. He asked, "How are you?"
Oh, how are you? That's the complex question?
Yes, because my brain suddenly decided to leave the building. I knew the answer was "I'm fine" or "I'm good," but instead I panicked. I saw his eyes waiting. The pressure was building, and I just shouted, "Yes, potato."
You said, yes, potato?
Yes, potato. Then I ran away. Suri, why am I like this? Am I broken? Do I need a new brain?
Alex, take a deep breath. You are not broken. You are just experiencing a very normal biological reaction. It's called fight or flight.
Fight or flight? I chose flight. I ran away very fast.
Exactly. Today, we are going to fix this. We're going to talk about why your brain freezes, why you say potato when you are nervous, and how to think fast in English without panic.
Please teach me how to unfreeze. I don't want to be a potato anymore.
First, Alex, we need to destroy a myth. A myth is something people believe, but it is not true. What do you think thinking fast looks like?
Oh, I know this. Thinking fast means speaking like that rapper Eminem. Rap God, just words flying out at 100 miles per hour. Rat-a-tat-tat. If I speak fast, people will think I'm a native speaker.
Really? So if you speak fast nonsense, that's better than slow intelligence?
Well, when you put it like that,
Listen closely, everyone. This is the biggest misconception. Thinking fast does not mean speaking fast. Thinking fast means staying calm so your brain can find the right word, not just any word.
so slow is smooth and smooth is fast?
Exactly. Think of your brain like a computer. Alex, imagine your brain is an old laptop from 2005.
That feels accurate.
When you click open on 10 different programs at the same time, grammar, vocabulary, accent, speed, what happens to the old laptop?
It makes a loud noise, whir. Then the little spinning wheel appears, loading, 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 and then crash, blue screen of death.
That is your brain on speed. When you try to be fast, you crash. To be fast, you first need to be calm. We need to stop the buffering. So, besides trying to be Eminem, what else do you freeze? What stops you?
It's the perfect sentence trop. Before I open my mouth, I try to build a 5-star sentence in my head. I check the grammar. Is it past perfect or past continuous? Is my pronunciation British or American?
And while you're building this Taj Mahal of a sentence in your head, what is the other person doing?
They're walking away or looking at their watch.
Right. This is the perfectionist trap. In a real conversation, there's no delete button. You can't edit your speech like a text message.
But Suri, if I make a mistake, everyone will judge me. It feels like I'm on a TV quiz show. The lights are bright, the music is scary, and if I miss an S at the end of a verb, I lose $1,000,000.
Oh, Alex, that is called the spotlight effect. You feel like everyone is shining a spotlight on you, looking for mistakes.
Are they not?
No, they are usually worrying about themselves. They just want to know what you mean. They don't care if your grammar is 100% perfect. They care if you are friendly and clear.
So nobody's going to take my money if I use the wrong preposition?
Your money is safe, Alex. Now let's get into the toolkit. How do we actually fix this? I have 3 tools for you today. Strategy A is called the pause pillow.
A pillow. Can I take a nap? Because thinking is tiring.
No napping. A pause pillow is a soft phrase you use to rest your brain for a second while you find the answer. These are also called fillers.
Oh, like and ah. I'm an expert at those.
Is okay, but we can do better. We want smart fillers. Phrases like, that's an interesting point, or let me think about that for a second, or, well, you see, these phrases tell the other person, I am still here, I am not a potato, I am just thinking.
Okay, let me try. Ask me something difficult.
Okay, Alex, what is the meaning of life?
That is a very interesting point. Let me think about that for a second. You see, well, actually, that is a great question.
Okay, stop. You used too many pillows. You built a fort. Just use one pillow, Alex.
Right, one pillow. Got it.
Strategy B is vital. It's called the one bag rule.
Is this about grocery shopping? Because I'm bad at that too.
Imagine you are trying to carry 10 heavy bags of groceries into the house. Grammar bag, vocabulary bag, idiom bag, slang bag. Can you run fast?
No, I'll drop the eggs. I'll fall over.
Exactly. When you freeze, it's because you are carrying too much grammar. Put the bags down, carry one bag. Use simple structures, subject, verb, object. Instead of saying, I was wondering if perhaps it might be possible for us to potentially acquire some sustenance, just say, I'm hungry. Let's eat.
But isn't that too simple? Will I sound like a baby?
No, you will sound clear, and clarity is confidence. Simple is strong.
Simple is strong. I like that. I'm going to tattoo that on my forehead.
Maybe just write it in your notebook first. Now, strategy C, the echo.
The echo. Echo, echo.
When someone asks you a surprise question, your brain goes into shock. To wake it up, simply repeat the question back to them or paraphrase it.
So I just copy them like a parrot?
Not a parrot, a thoughtful human. If I ask, what did you do last weekend? And your mind is blank,
My mind is blank right now.
you say, what did I do last weekend? Let me see.
Oh, that gave me like 3 extra seconds.
Yes, and in those 3 seconds, your brain stopped panicking and found the file labeled weekend. Okay, listeners and Alex, it is time to train. We're going to play a game called Word Association.
I'm sweating. Is this the quiz show again?
No pressure. The rule is don't think, don't edit, just spit it out. Whatever word comes to your head first, even if it's silly. Are you ready?
Deep breath, ready.
Coffee,
Life,
Monday,
pain,
English,
Hard.
Siri,
Happy.
potato.
Me.
Fantastic. See, you didn't freeze. You didn't say, you just responded.
That actually felt good. My brain didn't have time to be afraid.
That is the feeling of spontaneity. You trust your brain to find something. It doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to flow. You did a great job, Alex. Now let's slow down. Let's do our calm word tour. We're going to review the key concepts we used today so you can keep them. The first phrase is brain freeze.
Oh, I know this intimately. Brain freeze is when your mind goes completely blank. It's like the lights go out in the factory. No workers, no movement, just silence.
Exactly. Next phrase, on the spot.
On the spot is that feeling of pressure, like when Suri says, Alex, answer now, without warning. I feel hot. I feel scared. I am put on the spot.
Sorry for doing that to you, Alex, but it's good practice. Next one, buy time.
This is my favorite. Buy time means using tricks to get a few extra seconds, using the pause pillow or the echo to delay so my brain can catch up. It's like hitting the snooze button on an alarm clock, but for speaking.
Perfect description. Next, gather your thoughts.
Gather your thoughts sounds so peaceful. It means taking a moment to collect your ideas before you speak, like picking up clothes from the floor and folding them neatly before you put them away.
Beautiful metaphor, Alex. Next, misconception.
A misconception is a wrong idea that everyone believes, like thinking I must speak fast to be good at English. That is a misconception.
And finally, spontaneous.
Spontaneous means natural, unplanned, and free. It's when I said potato without thinking. Wait, maybe that was too spontaneous?
A little too spontaneous, but the energy was right. We have covered so much today. We learned that speed is a myth, that clarity is the goal, and that you have tools like the pause pillow and the one bag rule to help you.
And we learned that saying yes potato is a valid conversation starter if you're brave enough.
Listeners, I have a small homework challenge for you. This week, pick one strategy. Maybe it's taking a deep breath before answering. Maybe it's using the phrase, let me think about that. Just one thing. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be present. Alex, how do you feel? Still freezing?
No, I'm defrosting. I feel lighter. I'm going to practice my one bag sentences. I am Alex. I like pizza. Goodbye.
Simple and strong. Thank you for listening to Suri Daily English. Keep practicing, stay calm, and we will talk to you soon.
Bye, everyone.